The next generation of the award-winning LulzBot TAZ 6 is finally here. With over 40,000 LulzBot users around the globe and millions of printing hours, the TAZ is renowned for unmatched reliability and exceptional print quality. This legacy continues with the LulzBot TAZ Workhorse Edition, delivering out-of-the-box performance for innovators, educators, and manufacturers alike. Premium E3D hot ends enable printing of both rigid and soft, flexible materials. No tool head switching required. Combined with hardened steel components, the TAZ Workhorse Edition can print an expansive range of material options, including industrial-strength filaments like carbon fiber-filled nylon. An all-new, self-leveling, belt-driven Z-axis and automatic calibration cube make for precision layer stacking and impeccable print quality. No manual adjustments necessary. A modular print bed system provides improved ease of maintenance, increased versatility, and better heat uniformity across the bed surface. A universal toolhead mounting system lets you take full advantage of the LulzBot line of toolheads, providing a wide range of printing capabilities from ultra-high detail to high-strength prints in a fraction of the time. Learn more at lulzbot.com/workhorse.